Let's fill out the New Mexico Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong, the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling a vehicle in this state, here's what you need to know to get it done right. First, you'll need to use the official bill of sale form, which is MVD 10009. So make sure you have that specific form ready before you get started. When it comes to the sale price, you'll record the net sales price less any discounts. So if any discounts apply, those get subtracted before you write in the final number. You'll also need to include the vehicle identification number, or VIN. This is how the vehicle gets properly identified on all the paperwork. For the odometer, disclosure is required under state and federal law, so you'll need to accurately record the mileage at the time of sale. Here's an important one. This bill of sale must be notarized. That means both parties will need to sign in front of a notary public to make it official. On the topic of signatures, a power of attorney cannot be used to complete any transaction after the death of the person who granted it, so keep that in mind if that situation applies. For the title, the seller needs to provide the current outstanding certificate of title. No title, no transfer. And sellers, don't forget, you are required to remove the registration plate from any vehicle being traded in. Good news for buyers. There is no additional fee required on your end. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.